All right. So Taylor, this recording is to show you this item. So if and when you would like to take this on, here's how to do it. And I'll share the link here on the here, there. Okay. So from our tracking tool, excuse me, you'll see there's a column here for invite to follow to PXC. I'm doing that same yellow color to indicate when I've invited. Not worrying about the date here. That's not such a big deal, but what I'll do here is I'm going to sort. So all of the yellow color is up top, and then I'm just going to scroll down, and actually it's quite long. Okay. So here it is. So then I just bump it to there, and that's who I'm going to start with. So in here on the business page, which is where you come in when we get into LinkedIn, you'll see here this section says grow your followers, and we get 250 credits every month. So on the 1st of September, that's going to show 250 over 250 credits. But what happens is we send those invitations out, and as people accept and join or follow, we get those credits back. And so that's where I try to look at this throughout the month and just send new invitations. And so I go from this list and do so. So to do that, I click Invite Connections. This is going to pull all of my connections from my personal page. And all I do is start to do, and what I do is I don't try to type out everything. If there's something, one of the names is very unique, I go with that. So I'll do a few of these so you can see what I mean. Zahid. There we go. And so this is Saba who's here. But then if somebody else shows up, I automatically pick them if it makes sense for them to follow this page. Shukla, oops, have your fingers on the right keys. Already invited, no problem. Many of these are that way. But you'll see you just go through. And again, I click anybody else who might. Okay. So you can see it's to Lee here. And so, of course, just like we're doing with the others, I'm just going to color code that the yellow and scroll this down. And I scroll it down because my eyes start to not track so well. I would not invite that person. Okay, so you see what that's like. I'm just going to do the rest. So I'll pause for a second. All right, when you've hit your limit, it's going to show you down here, and it's not going to let you invite anybody else. So I actually hit it with the last one I entered, and I want to see Michelle Hearn. I'm trying to see her here. And then just as you would with the other invitations, you click invite, and that's going to send them off. And then I click no thanks here. And there you go. So this says 10 of 2. I'm going to hit refresh because that should say 0 of 250. Right. No credits returning. Okay. So as you come in here and look there, if it says this, of course, there's no invitations. But if you come in and look and it says any number over 250, you have some that you could send off if you would like. Okay. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.